this is Tanu. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys on how to make a resin photo frame. So one of our returning customers sent us her wedding Varmala to preserve it in a resin. Along with that, she also sent us her thali and meti. In Tamil Nadu, we call this one as a thali and this one as a meti. In other languages, I don't know. And also, our customer already shared the design on how she wants to preserve it. So let's see how we made it. First, I'm going to separate the beads and rose petals from the Varmala. Customer sent us both groom and bride Varmala. So we are taking the beads and rose petals from both Varmalas. And also customer sent us her thali and meti to preserve it in a resin. Let's start the process. First I'm taking the mold and you can see the dust in that. So we are going to clean it with the help of the cello tape. This process is so simple. First you have to stick the tape in the mold and remove it. Along with the tape, the dust also come out. Now our mold is too clean. For today's frame, I'm going to use the 2:1 resin. If you guys have any doubts on how to calculate the resin volumes, I will add the resin calculator link in the description. In the resin calculator, you have to mention about your mold size and shape, and it will ask whether it's for coating or casting. Then you have to select the resin ratio. After that, it will give you the how much corner and resin we have to use. After pouring the resin, you have to pop the bubbles. For that, I'm using the lighter. Let's start preserve our precious Varmala. According to the customer's design, the petals will come in the base. So for the first layer, I'm adding the petals in the resin. After adding the petals, let it dry out for the 24 hours. After 24 hours, again pour some resin on the top of the layer. First, I'm going to add the photo. The customer asked us the photo should be in a heart shape. Then I'm going to add a thali. The customer asked us to add a thali as an infinity symbol. Customer wants us to add a meti in the center of the infinity symbol. Then I'm randomly adding the golden balls in the resin. Then I'm going to add the pearl beads in the outer layer of the photo. Let the second layer dry it out for the 24 hours. After 24 hours, I'm going to stick these stickers. Customer asked us to add the bride and groom name in a single line. In that space, we couldn't able to add it as a single line. So we have made it as a double line. And also we have added their marriage date. After adding all the stickers, let's pour the resin again. After pouring the resin, let it dry out for the 24 hours. It's demolding time. Let's demold our beautiful resin frame from the mold. Ta-da! Our beautiful resin frame is ready. If you guys also want to place an order, you can place an order in a WhatsApp or email us. I will share the order details in the description. So if you guys try this out on your own, don't forget to share this to our Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Bye!